Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's been forever since I've posted anything on the channel, I know, and I think for good reason. You know what, it's been hectic, but nonetheless, as you can see right now, I am in our Blue Ivy, our E30, and the car is actually driving very nice. I'm happy with the entire outcome of how it came out, how it drives. Obviously there's just a few things here and there, I suppose, just like any other project that you might start. Once you complete it, there might be just some finer touches that you need to do, and the same is for this car. We just need to do some finer touches here and there, but the biggest thing that I'm most happy about is one thing I was really looking for when building this car was reliability and a soft ride. I suppose it makes sense why I even went for the 14-inch tires, because comfort for me is very important, and reliability. So once that is sorted, once that is out of the way, which I think is in a way out of the way, I think the next step is that now you can now start pampering the car. You're not cleaning it up a bit more, which is actually what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm actually taking the car to Bokis Auto Detailing, so he's going to just give it a detail. I'm thinking it's just gonna be the first stage. I don't think we can really get it up to scratch, looking at how much work there still needs to be done, and car's not yet complete, guys. I mean, even if you can see the door pads on this side, I haven't put them back. They're in the boot actually. I just needed to actually sort out the back window mechanism, so that's why we haven't put back the door pads, but that's nothing major, right? Sorry about that, guys. So anyway, I was just saying that right now I'm on my way to Boki to get a detail for this car, and we are actually on our way because we're supposed to be there in the next, say, 10 minutes, so not that far. So yeah, see you guys when we get there. Okay guys, so we eventually got to Bokis' place, and so we obviously started talking in terms of what we want to do today to the car, and we decided on just doing a one-step detail, which will just include, you know what, cleaning it up nicely there, and then maybe just giving it one go through with the polishing machine. So nothing much. I'm thinking we'll probably be coming back again in the near future. So with that said, let's just have a look at what they're going to be doing.
What's up everyone, this is Bokis from Bokis Auto Detailing. And today we will be working on the Lalo fire escape. Basically what we'll be doing is a minor detail, in the sense of we'll be doing an enhancement detail. Nothing major in the interior, just exterior more orientated, a little bit of protection on the inside, and then yeah, that's it. One step enhancement detail. ukuthi sishaye ibe even ishayine uniform.
Okay.
Phakathi ama-seats there's a meeting wakhipha, but you don't usually take ama-seats out. You usually spend size so you don't
Don't want. Yeah.